An Odessa mother and her two children have been without running water for 5 months. As you can imagine, everyday things like taking a shower and washing dishes have become a struggle. Sylvia Gonzalez spoke with city officials to find out what needs to happen to fix the problem.
$375, they told me in 3 months we would have it ready for you. I didn't bother them in 3 months. I waited the 3 months.
But 3 months have turned into 5 months. Guillermina Castro says in October she paid the fee to have a water line installed and tapped to her sewer. But still, no water. She says even basic things like cooking have become a difficult task.
I have to buy gallons of water, several gallons of water to be able to wash my dishes, make meals, wash my face. At night, I either go to my neighbors, friends, or family members' house to take a shower there, since there's no water here.
Andre Goodson, Public Information Coordinator for the City of Odessa, says there is a reason as to why Castro hasn't been able to have access to running water in her home.
If she turns her faucet on right now and doesn't have water, it's because she, as the property owner, has not made sure that that water line is installed and tapped into the meter on her side.
But that may not be the only reason the Castro family is still without water.
With that growing economy means growth of infrastructure. But because unemployment is low, it is difficult for us to attract new employees to help grow that new infrastructure and maintain that new infrastructure.
Goodson says Castro, as the homeowner, has options. In fact, she does not even have to rely on the city of Odessa to have water in her home.
She does have the option to have her money refunded to her from the city, and she can hire a private contractor to install that tap.
Reporting in Odessa, Sylvia Gonzalez, News West 9.